If you would like to find specific activities to assign your students from our SmartClass curricula, use the filtering function. Create a class and choose the Yes, Add Curricula option. Then click Filter Activities. First you need to select the language. Then, select the level. Levels are broken up by beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. After that, you are given more filtering options. You can select a topic. If the topic you are looking for is not in the level you want, you can still find topic-based activities and edit certain parts of them. Try adding more difficult concepts to the instructions or change some of the questions to make it more level appropriate as needed. Not all topics are used at every level. As you refine your filtering options, the activities that match your selections will show up in the middle column. You can choose reading, writing, listening, and/or speaking to search for activities working with specific skills. Choose a specific activity template type such as recording, jumbles, or pronunciation. You can also choose only the activities that are auto-graded by our platform. Please note, you might have to unselect some boxes if there are no activities matching your search criteria. Once you are happy with your activity options, you can then preview and add the activities by selecting them in the middle column. When you have decided which activities you want to use, make sure to select each one and click Add. If you have more than one activity in a row that you want to add, you can click and hold the Shift key to highlight multiple activities and then click Add. All of these activities will be added to the Created Activities section. Go to the Organize and Assign view to place them in pre-existing or new folders so you can assign them to students when you are ready. To filter additional activities in the future, navigate to the Create Activities section and click on Curricula. From there, click on Filter Activities.